Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to do a quick unboxing of 8849 Tank 3S. Here in the back of the box we can read some specifications. I have in front of me the version with 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage. The battery capacity of this phone is 15,600 milliamperes. That is 15600 mAh milliamperes. The display size of this phone is 6.79 inches. It is IP68 for water and dust resistant. It has an octa-core processor of 3.1 GHz. It has 4 cameras, 2 of 50 megapixels. One is 64 megapixels night version and the other one is 8 megapixels telephoto. Now let's open the box real quick. After unboxing, we are presented with the phone. We have a screen protector, a glass screen protector. We have the usual paperwork, user guide, warranty card. This is the charging cable. It is a Type-C to Type-C charging cable. And inside of the box, we have the 66 watt Type-C charging brick. This is the phone itself. This is the phone. Here on the right side we have the power button, the vent, another vent here on the top. We have the projector. On the left side we have the SIM tray, the volume buttons, and here the red and the gray button are two other function buttons. Here we have this wheel here for the projector. On the back, as you guys can clearly see, we have two big lights. The camera setup. I believe, yeah, this is the infrared for the camera. Let's do a quick comparison with the two other tank models that I have. This is the Tank 2 Pro. This is the Tank 3 Pro. Basically the same sizes. Let's check. Yeah, Tank 3 Pro, I think it's bigger than the other two, slightly bigger, but still. Let's continue with the menu real quick. As you guys can see, we are on the main screen now. Pretty smooth. As soon as the phone booted, yeah, it's reacting very good. Let's go to settings, take a look around here. My device. So basically we have up to 32 gigabytes of RAM with 512 gigabytes of storage. We can extend the RAM memory. The CPU is the Dimensity 8200. The selfie camera is 50 megapixels. We have a 1080p display. Let's check something real quick. This is the maximum brightness of the display. Here on the refresh rate, we see that the display refresh rate is 120 Hz. The Android version pre-installed is Android 13. This is the projector. While we are here on YouTube, let's check for the video resolution. Let me open a 4K video and check the display. Yeah, it goes up to 2060p and we have an HDR display. Now back to the video that I was watching. To fix the focus of the projector, we need to rotate it here. The settings of this phone is basically the same as the other two Tang phones that I did. I'm just gonna install the screen protector now and call it a day. First, you need to clean the display with the wet wipe here. Now you need to dry it with the wet wipe. You make sure that you don't have dust on your display and you simply remove the plastic from the screen protector and put it on top. Yeah, and as you saw, it was very easy. We are now ready to go. In the following days, I will do more videos with this phone. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you on the next one.